Hey guys, my name is Dawnita and welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back, and if this is your very first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course my main wig reviews. So if you like what you see, by the end of this video make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. And as you guys can see, it's my birthday. It is your girl's 30th birthday. Yes, I am the big 30. So by the time this video comes out, I will be on an island somewhere sipping some pina coladas. Check out my Instagram stories to see what I am doing this weekend. But yes, we're gonna get into some things with this hair, okay? We're gonna be right back.
Don't try to hide it, I'ma make it my boo. Cake, 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 you wanna put your name on it. I know you wanna bite this, it's so enticing. Nothing else like this, I'ma make you my boo. Cake, 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 you wanna put your name on it. Ooh baby, I like it, it's so excited. Don't try to hide it, I'ma make it my boo. And it's not even my birthday, but you wanna put your name on it. And it's not even my birthday, and he tryna put his name on it.
Girl, I wanna fuck you right now. Been a long time, I've been missing your body. Let me turn the lights down. When I go down, it's a private party.
Ooh, it's not even her birthday.
But I wanna lick the icing out. Give it to her in the worst way. Can't wait to blow candles out. I want that. Cake, 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 cake. Ooh, baby, I like it. It's so exciting. Don't try to hide it. I'ma make it my okay. Doggy want the kitty. Give me a heart attack and throw it back now.
And we are back. So today I'm reviewing another Outre unit. Thank you, Outre, for kindly sending me this unit. This is the Florence 32-inch wig. It is from their lace front wig collection. It's pre-plucked, lace parting, natural baby hairs. I got it in the color DR Chocolate Swirl. I am loving the chocolates for the fall. If you are familiar with my channel, you know I love me the browns and the chocolates. So this is the color theme vibe that I went with today, and I'm feeling it, okay? Period. This is what the stock card is looking like. They have been dropping some simple stock cards lately, so that's always a plus. And this is what the back of the stock card looks like. It does have some other specialty colors that comes in this unit as well. It's heat safe up to 400 degrees. It has an HD transparent lace. It has instructions on how to style this unit and a care guide as well. And yes, as you guys saw, this unit was a plop and go. You guys know I love me some simple units, especially for some synthetic wigs. I don't like to glue and mold and all that stuff for a synthetic wig because synthetic don't last that long. But this unit is 32 inches long. The only thing I did was that I cut the lace. I used my Eben lace tint in the color medium, dark medium brown. I'm so used to saying medium brown because that's the color I was using in the past, and I went down a shade darker, and this color is perfect. I cut the lace, I sprayed the lace, I put it on. I used my Juvia's Place palette, my chocolates palette. I went in along the hairline with one of the dark browns because this unit has like very, very thick knots. Like the knots are huge. So instead of using like my foundation, I just decided to go in with the chocolates palette along the hairline just so it could blend in more. I went in with my Fenty Beauty foundation in the color 420 along the part, and I just left the baby hairs as is, as you guys can see, and that was it. I left it alone. I didn't have nothing else to do. I will say this unit is tangling up a little bit, so just keep that in mind. Also with this length, it is getting very, very tangly. As far as texture, it's not silky, it's more on the yucky side, and it does feel a little dry. So I'm thinking a little spray of oil sheen maybe down here at the bottom, just so it's not getting tangly. It is medium size friendly. I don't think it's that large, you guys. The cap size is a little tight. I did feel like it was short on my head, so I put it down. I have a medium circumference head. So yeah, it's more on the medium spectrum, so let's keep that in mind as well. But how are you guys feeling my birthday slay? Yes, I'm feeling this chocolate, okay? This unit does range on a few different websites between $30 to $35, so that's not bad, you know. As far as thickness, this unit is a little bit on the thinner side. I feel like it's just enough thickness, but you know, it's okay. Definitely okay. So I'm going to give you guys a full body in a minute. Just trying to make sure I covered everything before I start moving stuff around. And that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. And thanks for watching. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. And I will see you guys next time.
It's your fucking birthday. It's a fucking celebration.